Frustrated by the Aswcmnos OS Library DLL error causing Avast AVG to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Access the official Aswcmnos library diagnostic resource now for a faster system configuration. This is the Aswcmnos library, the Avast Common OS, Aswcmnos, shim. It provides a localized unmanaged abstraction layer for OSE-specific localized routines, facilitating localized process management and localized memory addressing for the Avast security core. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Aswcmnos library. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Aswcmnos library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Installing an unverified version of Aswcmnos library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing Aswcmnos library and system configuration. If your workstation is back online and Aswcmnos library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.